Assalamu alaikum student of class 7. There is a poem No. Previously I had explained you this poem No with the explanation. Okay, now student, take out your copies and start writing the notes of this poem. First topic is words meaning. First word is courtesy, something done out of politeness. Second word is and the meaning is them. Third is gentility and the meaning is courteous and well mannered society. Fourth is inking, a vague idea. Fifth is ring, a circular course in Hyde Park in London. Number 6 is raw, a narrow street lined with houses. 7. T, other side the way, the colloquial contraction of the other side of the road. Now come to the questions. Long questions. Put the heading of long questions and take out your book and place it in front of you. Page number 15, there is question number A, is your question number 1, long question. Write it down in your copies and then write down the answer with me. The title is a good one because it is reflected in every line of the poem, including the last line in which the poem is summarized by yet another no word November. November is in the autumn season when summer has come to an end and nature is preparing for winter. The negative no tells us that everything is coming to an end. As far as plants are concerned, question number B is your second question. Write it down in your copy, same page number 15. And the answer is there is no regular rhyming pattern. Some of the lines are rhyming couplets, but this is not constant. We would break it up like this: a ba sa c b, second a b b c c d d, and the third is a b b c d c c and d. Now come to the short question and answer. Put the heading of short question and answer. Start with the next page. Write down question number D is question number 1. Write down the answer. The poem describes a month November in late autumn in which there are a lot of negatives indication by no. The poet described this season as being one without warmth. Question number E, page number 15. Answer. Although the poem is full of negative statements, the poet still managed to make it sound fairly cheerful. So students, there are 2 long questions and there are 2 short questions, and questions should be copied from your book, okay? And these are the answers. Now start with the next page. Put the heading of central idea. The poet depicts the picture of the month of November, which in tough weather that everything stands still and life seems to cease. Full stop. Plant and trees dry down and living creature appear to have disappeared. Snow covers everything, life become dead. So this is the central idea of this poem. Come to the summary, and it should again start with the next page. Don't continue with the same page, okay? This is the next topic. Summary. The poem No depicts the scene of winter in the month of November. Whole day remains same. The sky is always clouded, so the clear sky become a dream. Everything look while as there is no greenery. Full stop. The roads are covered with snow. People most of time stay inside their houses and they hardly travel. The whole life stands still because of extreme weather condition. There is a Hyde Park in London and it has a circular course which is used for riding and during by people, but it is empty and no one seems to go there. Especially in this month of November, all the birds and animals go into hibernation. During this season, all plants and trees down, as it is the end of most of living thing, but still this is the beautification of month November. Now student, it should be started with the next page. Fill in the blanks. Put the heading of fill in the blanks. Number 1 is poem No is composed by James Hood. Number 2, he was born in dash 1799. Number 3, he was the son of London bookseller. Son. He died in 1845 and 1845 is the blank. Number 5 is November. November month had been explained in this poem. Now students, last topic is words and sentences. Put the heading and categorize the page into 2 columns. First column write down with the black pointer words, and in the second column write down sentences. First word is indication. All these are indication of heroic blood. Number 2 is courtesy. She is dealing with courtesy. Number 3 is recognition. He has recognition of familiar people. Number 4 is coast, and the sentence is I had seen her along the coast. Number 5 is steeple, and the sentence is steeple is the highest place of the building. Now students of class 7th, it is to inform you that we are having first monthly test in this month from 20th of August. So get it ready. You are having 2 topics in your test, and in that test I will ask you the MCQs. 10 MCQs will be asked with you, and you are supposed to take the right answer. Okay, and there will be 3 questions, and it should be done positively by you, and it will consist of 5 marks. So students, what you have to do, you have to learn first chapter Light in the Night, and the second is Black Beauty. Go through it, read everything, learn fill in the blanks, question and answer, and everything. In that way you will be able to attempt the MCQs, because MCQs are not in this lecture. Okay, first you learn the questions, you learn the fill in the blanks, words meaning, and everything. In that way you may be able to write the correct answer. So for the question and answer are from your copies. Student, you have to learn it. There will be only 3 or 4 questions for you, and you are supposed to write the answer. And be positive, there will be no electricity problem, because once you uploaded your test, it will be off when you will complete it, and after an hour it will be submitted. Okay, so make sure yourself you will be get it ready for that, and there will be no electricity problem, there will be no net problem, nothing else. Your mobile should be working properly, your laptop, or if you are taking your classes on tab or laptops or mobile phone, it should be proper, in short. Okay, so these are the instructions for the test and instruction for the copies. Class, this is my 3rd topic, and we have completely done. I have left only a topic, which is a poem, and it will be completely done inshallah in this week, and your literature will